quick light birthday candles. So one time lit and they all going to light up like a chain reaction, but very quickly. So don't have to waste time lighting it up. Don't have a cake, so we'll test it on a bread so we don't waste a cake. So there's a bunch of candles, spread them around all the way, line them up, kind of cool. Wow, I like it so far. So there it is. Okay, and when I need to light up cake, boom, just like that, and all the candles have been lit. That's awesome. Looks like only 2D on light, but it is very unique way to start up the candles all at once. That is a lot of fun. Still very easy to blow out. Next torch, V5 Tactical Polymer Holster. Simple, sure, adjustable. Okay. Unboxing. Okay, yes, there's a clip. Ooh, that's cool. And there's a adjustment. It goes up and down. Very interesting. Oh, so it could be tighter, could be less tighter, and then this will tighten it up when it locks in. Very cool. Okay, just push it together and locks it in. Sweet. Let's tie something, flashlight like this one, and then just press and tight. Wow. So it can be, looks like adjusted onto something and still have plenty of light come out. Can make it a little tighter so it doesn't wiggle, and turn it on and use it. Plug it in into something. Wow, that is kind of cool. That is a spinnable and adjustable. Turn it off if I need to release it. Pretty easy, and I could adjust it a little bit more. But for one of those standard EDC flashlight, it is quite tight. It's not going anywhere. Wow, that is a good idea for the flashlight. And again, to make it a little bigger, smaller, all I have to do is just adjust it this way and tighten it up the other way, I guess. That is cool. Boom. I love it. Quiet tape. Look, I could spin as much tape as I need. It is very quiet. Quiet and easy on white tape. So that is insane. Okay, now this one. This is non-quiet tape. It's a regular tape. It is very loud. One more time. Good old tape noise, and this one will be quiet. Wow. And it's like a regular tape, just doesn't make any noise. I love this tape so much. So there it is, quiet tape that don't make any noise. I love it. Cooking torch. Let's see. Very well. Okay. We'll take propane. Let's see how it does. So next time I need to grill, just turn it on. Wow, that's huge flame. And the cool thing is, it can go even bigger. So it's pretty big flame. And I can turn it off. Boom. Very comfortable and powerful, that's for sure. Leatherman skeleton tool, that's the name of it, RX. So pretty cool in red. That looks so nice. So how does this open? Does it lock up? No, just pull, and does not have assist. pretty stiff. That's quite nice, so it does not wiggle. Okay, so there's a screwdriver. If it's like in this way, push a release button. There's looks like some kind of punch, window breaker, or a screwdriver actually. Okay, there's a clip, knife, liner lock. Okay, let's see, the clip is right here actually, and a carabiner, so easy to hang it. How does this come out? That pushes out this way. Very interesting. So, and there's more screwdriver options. Nice and tight in there. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, looks like we all set right here. All the tools right here. And there's the needle nose and wire cutters. Pretty awesome. Aluminum Kelly kettle, tracker kettle, outdoor life enjoy. So this is for boiling water. There's a holster. There's a stand, well packaged. Okay. Aluminum, so lightweight, and so it's like a rocket stove. And there's like a cork and a whistle when it boils. Okay, let's remove this. So it comes with the holster. That's where the sticks will be, and the air will go to here. And when it goes over to here, the flames are going to go over to the top here, and the fuel and sticks can go in here or go to the top or lift it up, add onto it. And this side here, liftable like that, and the coal goes in here pointing down, so it will whistle once it boils it. Very cool. So there's a tracker, this is the one. There's a cook set and scout and base camp. This is the smallest in this set. That's what it looks like. Very cool. I love it because the water is inside here and the flames will be heating all of the side of the can, so it is a fastest way to boil water over the stove, or like a wooden stove. Amazing. CRKT Carlson M16. Nice big knife right here. There's a rope cutter, skinner. So there's a safety, looks like. Let's see. Okay, to flip it, it got pushed down and to the side, and it flip easily. Liner lock. Ooh, that's tight. Oh, you know what? There's a lock to disengage, to open it. So I just set to lock it whenever we want to use it. Let's see, push down and to the side, flicks out, and then I can lock it all the way here. That is interesting. Okay, and it locks all the way. There's a name for it, M16. Bottom Carlson design. Okay, now it's kind of like a fixed blade because there's a extra safety lock in. Okay. Now push that and release that, and down and out. And then there's a safety, pushes out, and it flicks out really well. So the motion of this, very interesting. If I just slowly kind of push it, it will never open all the way. I'll have to really flick it for it to open, and it's still not open all the way. So the idea of it, either flick it good or like give a little like motion so it opens, or down and to the side like that, short flick. Very unique mechanism, makes it kind of like a fixed blade. There's a safety, push on that, now I can fold it in. I like that design. Fixed blade, folding knife, kind of like with the safety. There's a window breaker. Had to like figure it out for a second how to use it. It's awesome. And in the back right here, rope cutter, love it.